Well, what's up? We're out here. We're hiking the walls of Jericho today. It's a hike in northeast Alabama. Actually, we'll probably cross the Tennessee-Alabama line today.
Yeah, I actually didn't know that.
Yeah, we will for
Cool.
sure. So yeah, it's just a wild place out here. Lots of wildlife, and excited to take y'all on the road.
It's about 75 degrees
Yeah.
and breezy.
Yeah. What a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Look at all this green. Isn't this great?
It's crazy.
Woo. Okay.
I'm kind of hungry.
Good old river crossing.
So this is where this is kind of scary. Because if you fell in, you get water. Remember that part?
Casey's just singing Fiddler on the Roof. Yeah, actually I do remember that. I was a bottle dancer in Fiddler on the
They were
Roof.
like, 25 years I've lived with you. I thought that was like
Good times.
It's for the army.
Yeah, that's what people ask me when I
It's been a good hike. It's long.
Yeah, we're not even there yet.
We're not even there yet. We got a long ways to go.
We do.
I think it's like 6 miles.
Yep.
So me and Casey were just talking about our summer plans this summer. And so my summer plans are to paddleboard more. I want to see a sea turtle. We got beach trip planned in July. And Casey, what are your summer plans?
You forgot to tell them about the bird boot camp.
Oh yeah, I want to attend a bird boot camp. You know, like we all got our thing. I want to know my bird calls.
What was my goal?
Probably some cool stuff like photography workshop and like
yeah, and
coffee hangouts.
see
you know,
waterfalls and
she keeps me hip.
what if we got like a little Aussie?
It's time for a little lunch break. And we have found... Oh, sorry about that. We have found the perfect spot. What do you think about it, Casey?
I think it's really nice. Yeah. This is our lunch.
Got some, what are those?
Some sunflower kernels.
Sunflower kernels. Cool. Got the river brook.
Naturally delicious.
Ooh, naturally delicious. So that's kind of delicious. Our naturally delicious sunflower seeds. They really are good. My first time. Said shelled and salted.
Yep, 99 cents for this.
How about that? So this hike is pretty tough. It's rated as like a moderate on the hiking difficulty scale, I suppose.
Where did you get that from?
Where'd I hear that from?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Your head?
I think I made that scale up. I'm giving this trail a moderate.
Well, just wait on the way back because it was all downhill on the way back. On the way.
I know. So up until this point, we have come probably about 4 miles straight down.
You think it's like 4 miles?
Well, isn't it 6 down and back, or is it
round trip.
I'm making facts up.
He is. It's probably been about like
Total
2.5.
total trip down and back is about 6.5, 7 miles.
You may see how many miles?
I know that's a fact. That's
Let me
a fact
check
you can
it.
trust.
It's a fact you can trust.
So we checked it, and how far are we gone, Casey?
It's been about 4 miles.
It's been about 4 miles.
So it doesn't feel like it's been 4
I
miles.
did not make that up.
How long? I mean, we left at like 1 and it's 3, so we've been gone for 2 hours.
So we got about halfway to go.
What do
Well,
you
we got to
mean?
turn around and go back.
Yeah.
Is it cold? I'd have to do a water crossing. Check this out. It's a small water crossing.
I don't want my shoes to get wet because my socks are getting wet.
She's a lot braver than me. One of my favorite spots. This vlog was a little like kind of spontaneous. We just came for the hike here, and I've been wanting to show Casey this hike. She's actually been here once, I think.
Yeah, once. Yeah.
Okay, once. Yeah, but yeah, it's beautiful. So we just wanted to vlog it real quick. Such a beautiful place. Like, it's like my favorite. It's just awesome. Like, got this waterfall right here. Look at that swimming hole. Holy smokes. I tried to jump in, but it was so cold. It's so cold. This river is like literally just pouring out of that cave. Down this. Man. Oh. Weird.
That actually is really weird.
So weird. What? But beautiful view. Daisy. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. Jason's climbing in. How to get a closer look. So loud. You can feel the wind coming off of this. What the crap,
It
Casey?
is so pretty.
It's so freaking pretty.
Like the pictures and videos, you can't even tell.
You can't. The weather's perfect and golly.
We are tired.
Wow. Casey literally said, why do people do this?
Yeah, for real.
That was hard, guys.
What was the total mileage, I wonder?
I don't know, but we did not vlog anything coming back up. It was just,
We were too tired.
it was hard.
It was hard.
It was pretty tough. But it was good to be outside with my girl, with my boo, and yeah.
8.4 miles.
8.4, yeah.
That's a long hike without lunch. Well,
For sure.
well, we had the sunflower seeds.
We had sunflower seeds and about a half bottle of water, and so
So we want to eat.
yes, cannot wait. Yeah.
It was a good hike though.
Yeah.
I feel like I want to go to sleep.
Yep. Good deal.